Studies prove there are two main reasons you don't sleep well: heat that makes you sweat and keeps you up at night, and pain caused by pressure to your joints that make you toss and turn trying to get comfortable. It's a fact that 25% of adults take medication to try to sleep better, while half of adults with insomnia suffer from back pain, headaches, depression, and more. Night after night, it's the same sad, sleepless story. But now there's a better way to get the restful sleep you need at the price and convenience you want. Introducing Easy, the incredible new mattress topper from Genius that transforms the mattress you already have into the cooler, more supportive, and incredibly comfortable sleep system of your dreams, all at a price you can afford without going to an expensive mattress store. Easy makes your old bed feel like new again, and it comes in all the sizes you need to fit the mattress you already have. Easy Topper has a 3-layer sleep support system perfected by Genius engineers to give you the beauty rest you want and the support and total comfort your body needs. First is the exclusive Easy Blue layer of soft touch gel foam that helps neutralize your body temperature so you sleep cooler all night long. Next, there's a thick base layer of supportive foam that gives you a solid foundation to help maintain body alignment while supporting your joints. Now top it off with the Easy Breathe cover that is specially designed to let your body heat escape so you stay cool and comfortable all night long. Even kids jumping on the Easy Topper won't spill these glasses of fruit juice, while this spring mattress just makes a mess. Easy provides total support for your body. We placed 1,000 eggs on this ordinary mattress, then placed Easy on top. Even under 250 pounds of free-falling force, the Easy supported and protected the eggs. Incredible! Lab tests prove it. No matter what position you sleep in, no matter your age or your size, Easy gives your body the support you need and the comfort you want. With Easy, here's how to get yours right now.